Kia ora koutou. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the Ministry for the Environment's National Waste Data Reporting Program. We have heard from the public that they want to know more about New Zealand's waste, and we have responded by improving our waste reporting. In this demonstration, we will provide a tour of the waste dashboards and data developed through the program. Our goal is to create a strong evidence base to allow people involved with or with an interest in waste management and minimization to make more informed decisions. By understanding waste management, we can better understand trends and how waste contributes to climate change. We have published new and updated waste data, including facility mapping and tonnages, waste sector emissions, key statistics, and funding for waste initiatives. But more importantly, we've made our reporting interactive. The data is updated either monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on the availability of the information. We start at the Ministry's Facts and Science section. Here, you'll find a range of topics that we report on. If we click on the waste topic, this will take you to a landing page that acts as a central point for accessing the waste reporting dashboards. If you're looking to dive deeper into our program, the Improving Waste Data section is your go-to resource. Here, you can learn more about the program and delve into the legislation and policy behind this work. You'll also find information about upcoming data releases and updates on the dashboard. The Waste Statistic webpage provides a quick overview of the waste sector. Here, you'll find a dashboard containing key statistics covering facility locations, waste tonnages, and emissions from waste. Depending on the device you're using, the dashboard might appear small. You can expand it to full screen by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner. If you're looking at the dashboard and want more detail on key terms or to see historical trends, you can hover over the statistic you're interested in and a pop-up will appear. Topic-specific dashboards can be found on our other waste reporting pages. For example, let's navigate to the Facility Locations and Disposal webpage. Have you ever wondered how many landfills are near you, or what types of material they accept? On the Waste Facility Locations dashboard, you can easily filter for facilities in your region by using the filter option at the top of the page. This will automatically update the dashboard based on your selection. To get a closer look, you can zoom in and out of the map and hover over the values at the top to understand what types of material each facility accepts. Below this is the Waste Tonnages dashboard. In 2022, collectively we dispose of around 700 kgs of waste per person at Class 1 municipal landfills. Class 1 landfills collect waste from households and commercial activities. Here, you can view the amounts as a grand total or by per capita, meaning the average per person. If you would like to just view the total amounts, you can do this by selecting the None checkbox on the upper left-hand side of the chart. All of our dashboards have an About the Data button in the top right corner. In this area, you can learn more about key terms, disclaimers, and policies relating to the data. If you're interested in how the waste we generate contributes to emissions, head to the Waste Emissions dashboard. It's simple to compare data across different years. Just use the filter at the top to select the years that you're interested in. It's a great way to analyze trends in waste emissions and track the progress we're making. On the Waste Investments page, we provide a dashboard where you can learn about the projects that have been funded to support waste minimization efforts. The dashboard allows you to see the total number of projects and the types of funding they have received. For more details and links to extra content, click on a point on the map or scroll to the table below. If you want to look for a particular organization, project, or keyword, you can use the search box. Interested in how people think and act when it comes to waste? Head to the Research into Attitudes to Waste and Recycling page. Here, you'll find a page where you can learn about our behavioural research. 92% of people are confident they're correctly sorting their recycling. However, most are only able to correctly identify 20 out of 30 items as recyclable. Discover this and many more interesting findings on the Research into Attitudes to Waste and Recycling page. It may just change the way you think about your waste habits. This is just the start of the work we are doing to improve the availability of waste data in New Zealand. We're looking forward to bringing you even more data and other resources in the future.